Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So when you have a problem loading Adobe Acrobat Pro or General, for example, I'm showing you for the version of 2022, but I think it's the same for 2023, probably even 2024. So when you have a problem like some DL file is missing or corrupt and you cannot start because you don't have the file, so this is the problem, that you need the only package that is needed to run this is Microsoft Visual Studio C++ 2015 distributable and number of version you see. That's the only one package you need. You don't need any other. Or of 2013, 2008, 2016, 17, only this package is enough to resolve any problem, to run smoothly your Adobe program. So such a menu.